Unbelievable benefits of apple cider vinegar. Why you should be taking it every day. Apple cider vinegar is renowned for its numerous medicinal properties, offering a plethora of health benefits for the human body. It has gained popularity as a home remedy among thousands of individuals worldwide in recent years. But does it truly own up to the hype? Through extensive research and multiple studies, apple cider vinegar has proven to be highly effective in providing relief for a wide range of health complaints. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating details. Make sure to watch until the end because there's one benefit that is sure to surprise you. Before we begin, we would like to remind you that we are not medical professionals, and this video is for informational purposes only. Promoting weight loss. Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity for its potential benefits in weight loss. Regular consumption of this vinegar, known for its high acetic acid content, has been associated with reduced body fat levels, especially when combined with a calorie-restricted diet. In one study, participants experienced a decrease in hip circumference, lower triglyceride levels, and increased levels of HDL cholesterol after consuming apple cider vinegar. For those looking to shed a few pounds, this is certainly something worth considering. Another notable benefit of apple cider vinegar is its ability to help lower blood sugar levels and manage elevated blood glucose levels. One common symptom of those with type 2 diabetes is elevated blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance. Apple cider vinegar benefits. Multiple studies have linked the consumption of apple cider vinegar with meals to more stable blood sugar levels. Maintaining control over blood sugar levels is crucial for leading a long and healthy life. Apple cider vinegar offers an easy and economical way to take advantage of this benefit. Apple cider vinegar has been found to have numerous benefits for our health. One of these benefits is its ability to improve blood fat levels. Research has shown that consuming apple cider vinegar can lead to a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, while also increasing HDL cholesterol, which is the good type of cholesterol that our body needs. This means that apple cider vinegar can help improve our overall lipid profile by getting rid of the bad fats and promoting the good ones. Furthermore, apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve blood fat levels. This can be attributed to its high acetic acid content. Additionally, apple cider vinegar has been known to aid in digestion. So, incorporating this powerful ingredient into our diet can have a positive impact on our health in multiple ways. Promoting healthy digestion. Apple cider vinegar, with its acetic acid content, plays a significant role in aiding digestion. It helps break down food, making the process much easier, particularly for individuals with low stomach acid. Moreover, apple cider vinegar promotes a healthy intestinal flora, which consists of beneficial bacteria essential for digestion. It is also believed to provide benefits for those suffering from acid reflux, a common digestive ailment. Switching gears, apple cider vinegar is also associated with promoting healthy skin. Fascinating, isn't it? Promoting healthy skin. Apple cider vinegar offers numerous benefits for your skin. Its properties help exfoliate and kill pathogenic bacteria while balancing the skin's pH. The presence of malic acid allows apple cider vinegar to unclog pores and reduce acne, making it beneficial for individuals struggling with skin issues. Additionally, malic acid can help diminish dark spots by reducing melanin production. However, it's important to dilute apple cider vinegar with water before applying it to your skin due to its mildly acidic pH. Apart from skin benefits, apple cider vinegar has also been found to promote healthy hair. Promoting healthy hair. Another one of the benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to balance the pH of your hair, especially when dryness and damage occur from using shampoos or other hair products. Some researchers even suggest that it may help treat dandruff and reduce fungal growth on the scalp, although more research is needed in this area. When applying apple cider vinegar to the scalp, it is important to dilute it with water. After application, you can expect your hair to look more radiant and feel smoother to the touch. Another noteworthy benefit is that apple cider vinegar has the potential to boost your energy levels. Who wouldn't want that? Boosting energy levels. Are you looking for a way to feel more energetic throughout the day? Well, here's a secret. Apple cider vinegar can help boost your energy levels. How does it work, you ask? It's all thanks to the acetic acid content in apple cider vinegar. This magical ingredient improves your metabolism and prevents fat deposition, allowing your body to burn fatty acids for energy. But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar is packed with potassium, electrolytes, enzymes, and amino acids that help reduce lactic acid in the body. Say goodbye to soreness and fatigue. So, the next time you need a quick pick-me-up, consider skipping coffee and taking a shot of apple cider vinegar instead. Not only will it give you the energy boost you need, but it also comes with a bunch of other health benefits. Give it a try and see how it can transform your day. Boost your immune system. Did you know that apple cider vinegar can help boost your immune system? It's true. Apple cider vinegar contains crucial antioxidants, probiotics, and other properties that provide antimicrobial protection. Not only that, but apple cider vinegar also supports gut health by providing probiotics. A healthy microbiome is directly tied to an optimal immune system, so incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine can improve immune system functionality. But that's not all. Researchers believe that the polyphenols found in apple cider vinegar can help treat cold and flu-like symptoms. In fact, people have been using apple cider vinegar to reduce cold symptoms for centuries. Even the famous physician Hippocrates himself suggested drinking a combination of vinegar and honey to treat persistent coughs. Raw apple cider vinegar can reduce cold symptoms thanks to its probiotics. To top it off, apple cider vinegar contains polyphenols and antioxidants that are believed to have numerous health benefits. So why not give apple cider vinegar a try and supercharge your immune system? Alleviating muscle cramps. Apple cider vinegar is known for its high potassium content, which has been found effective in preventing and alleviating muscle cramps. Research suggests that it can reduce the incidence and intensity of cramping. Interestingly, pickle juice, which contains acetic acid, is also used to treat cramps. Similarly, apple cider vinegar, with its acetic acid content, can be beneficial in preventing unwanted muscle cramps. Apple cider vinegar has a multitude of impressive health benefits. It can aid in weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, improve blood fat levels, enhance digestion, promote healthy skin and hair, boost energy levels, strengthen the immune system, reduce cold symptoms, and help prevent muscle cramps. These are just a few reasons why adding apple cider vinegar to your daily regimen can be beneficial. Before we continue, we kindly ask you to show your support by liking this video. It greatly helps our channel, and we sincerely appreciate it. While you're here, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well. We have numerous other upcoming videos on our channel that I'm sure you'll find enjoyable. Things you should know. Drink 1 to 2 tablespoons or 15 to 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar 20 minutes before each meal 3 times daily to help regulate your appetite. Always dilute your apple cider vinegar in 1 cup or 240 milliliters of water. Drinking undiluted apple cider vinegar can harm tooth enamel and your throat. Mix other spices like cinnamon, cayenne, and black pepper to help enhance apple cider vinegar's sharp, acidic flavor. Use unpasteurized apple cider vinegar called the Mother instead of filtered products. The Mother contains helpful probiotics to aid digestion. Get fresh, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Look in the vinegar section at your local supermarket for natural apple cider vinegar. Buy ACV with sediment settled on the bottom of the bottle. This is known as the Mother and contains helpful enzymes and probiotics. Avoid getting pasteurized apple cider vinegar since it won't have the same properties as unfiltered vinegar and therefore won't provide the same health benefits. You can use water of any temperature for your ACV. However, cold to room temp water will probably be the easiest to swallow. Tip: drink your apple cider vinegar solution through a straw if you have sensitive teeth or weak enamel. In addition to hurting your throat, the acidity in ACV can easily erode tooth enamel over time. There is a growing interest among millions of people worldwide in harnessing the health advantages offered by apple cider vinegar. We hope the information provided in this video proves useful to you. We want to clarify that although we are not medical professionals, this video aims to provide valuable information. It is important to note that the content presented here does not constitute medical advice. Our goal is to share useful insights to help you enhance your overall health and quality of life. We appreciate your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments section below. It's important to also note that while natural remedies are helpful, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. In addition, before starting any new diet or trying out any new remedies to alleviate any health issues or concerns, it is important to check with your doctor or medical professional first. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with someone that it could help, and please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment saying that you had subscribed, and we will try to reply as soon as we can. Thank you again for watching. Please check in regularly for more need-to-know natural remedies.